how to copy outfits on Roblox. So for this, what we want to do is simply go to Google and search Roblox outfit copier. Search for this and open up this first Google Chrome extension. It is completely free and safe, so click on Add to Chrome here and we'll just add extension. Now once this extension has been added, what we want to do is hop back onto Roblox, refresh the page here. And now we are just gonna go to some person's page, one of my friends here, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is click on the puzzle icon for Google Chrome, and we're going to click on Roblox outfit copier here. And then we can copy this person's outfit by selecting copy outfit. We can also copy the skin color, and we can open the paid items in a new tab. So if I click on copy outfit here, it will automatically buy the free assets for us. And if we also click on open paid items in a new tab and I click on copy outfit here, I'm just going to show you that it works. It loads a bunch of items here for Roblox, like so. But basically now if I go to my profile picture, as you can see, now we have successfully copied the free items from his profile, and we can also manually buy all of these items here that were detected for our friend. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.